This is a complete step-by-step guide to eBay dropshipping and how beginners are earning hundreds of dollars a day with this really simple system. What's up everyone, Paul here from dropshippingtitans.com, where I teach regular people just like you how to start your first successful dropshipping store. When I first tried to make money online, I had pretty humble goals. I know a lot of YouTubers like to show off their stacks of cash and Lamborghinis and their private jets, but that wasn't what I was looking for. It's not what I'm about at all. I just wanted to make a few $100 extra a month to pay down some debt, save for a nicer vacation, and really just live a little bit more comfortable. Basically to supplement my salary so I wasn't so stressed out about money. So I thought if I could just make $1,000 a month from a side business, I would be ecstatic with that. And $1,000 a month, I did the math, I figured it out. So that's just $33 a day in profit. $33 a day, and I would be able to get all that freedom and comfort that I was looking for. Now, when I broke it down like that, it sounded really doable to me. It sounded pretty simple, but the question really was, how? Because I wasn't very tech savvy. I didn't know how to build a website. I didn't know how to sell products. I didn't even have any products to sell. So I didn't really know where to start with all this. I felt really, really lost. And that's when I found eBay dropshipping. And that allowed me to start an online business and go from having absolutely no experience and no income online. And I was eventually able to make $1,000 a month in profit and then over $10,000 a month in profit by the end of my first year. And I was able to do that from anywhere in the world as long as I had my laptop and an internet connection. Now this all started when I learned something pretty amazing. You see, there are these people selling products on eBay. So here's an item right here on eBay. It's this pressure cooker right here, this deep fryer, whatever this is. It's selling for $30. It's sold 186 times. Nothing really remarkable about this item. You know, there's plenty of people selling stuff like this on eBay, but what makes this very unique is that this exact same item is being sold on Walmart for about half the price, exactly half the price actually. It's the same exact item. So what these people are doing, what I learned, is that they are taking this item that they found on Walmart, they're literally copying everything, the photos, the description, they're putting it all and pasting it into a new listing here on eBay. There's nothing different about this item from the one that you find here on Walmart, except that they've marked up the price of the item. That way they can cover their eBay fees, and if the item sells, they will make a profit as well. And the really cool thing is that because Walmart is such like a streamlined system, they really have everything down. They know that once this item sells on eBay, and again, this one has sold 186 times, all this person does is they go over here to Walmart, add it to the cart, and during the checkout process, instead of entering in their address, they're entering in the address they got from eBay, the buyer on eBay, their address. So Walmart will ship it directly to the customer, completely hands-off business. And he's not the only one doing this. There's other people, like there's this guy selling this bookshelf for $44.96. It's sold 69 times, and the exact same one can be found in Walmart for $22.28. Like literally, there is nothing different about this item. They just spent a few minutes copying everything from Walmart, pasting it onto eBay, and now the 70 times that it's sold, all they do is fulfill the order by buying it from Walmart. Like it's that simple. So after seeing this, I kind of thought, what if I do the same thing that I see other people on eBay doing? And I kind of thought about it and I was like, I don't think this is gonna work. Like, there's no way this is gonna work. But you know what? I had nothing to lose. With this system, there's really no risk. The only risk is the time that you put into it. You don't have to buy the inventory up front. You don't have to build a website. You don't have to learn marketing or pay for ads or any of that stuff. So it's really just about the time you put in. And personally, I rather spend time trying to start an online business and giving that a shot instead of spending my time watching Netflix or playing video games or anything really like that, because the risk really is so low with something like this. So let me show you what I did. I started by finding a supplier that I wanted to use. So in this case, we're gonna use Walmart as a supplier. We do use other retail sites, but more and more we're using wholesale suppliers, but you'll see why this works so well. So with any sort of supplier that you're using, they have brands that only they sell, or that they are one of the few retailers or suppliers that sell that brand. So for instance, Walmart has a brand called Mainstays. They own that brand. They're the only ones who sell Mainstays products. So if I come over here to eBay and search for Mainstays, all the results that come up, these are people that are drop shipping from Walmart onto eBay. And we know that because the only way you can get these items is if you buy them from Walmart, because Walmart owns that brand. So looking here, we see a ton of people drop shipping from Walmart onto eBay. And that was really the first step. I wanted to find other people that were already doing this. People like this guy who sold this crock pot thing 186 times. People like this who sold this bookshelf 70 times. So let's open up one of these, like this one right here. This guy sold this $48 hammock 447 times. And you see his name right here on the right. So this is another dropshipper. That was the first step I wanted to complete. And then if you actually come into his profile and click on his items for sale, you can see all the items that they're selling. So remember, we already know that all the items that they're selling right here are being dropshipped and probably being dropshipped from Walmart. So now I can go in, see what their popular items are, like this carpet sweeper right here, and I can go ahead and sell this exact same product. And all you have to do to find it is come down to the description and copy it and search for it on Google, and it should pull up the result. Yeah, here it is right here. This is the exact same item right here. He's obviously marked it up in price, but yeah, I can go ahead and sell this exact same one right here. And there's nothing tricky too much about the listing process, except when it comes to titles, which I'll talk about in a second. I just want to show you more of this because look, this is the item right here. It's this $47.99 sold 233 times. We have that same carpet cleaner right there. This item is 47 times, it sold 63 times, or $47 sold 63 times. This one is $56 and sold over 200 times. This one is $50 and sold over 200 times. So there's plenty of these products out there with really, really healthy profit margins in there. If you're able to find them, list them up for sale, but it's all about finding the right products. And once you actually get to the listing process, it's pretty straightforward because literally all you're doing is copying everything from Walmart and creating a new listing on eBay. Now there actually is software that will help speed that up. I have a Chrome extension. You literally click one button and it will list that item onto eBay for you, copy and paste everything over, and even mark up the price for you. The only thing you would then have to change is the title itself. So for instance, this item on Walmart, this is the title it gave you. It's a rechargeable floor and carpet sweeper. And the title that was modified by this seller is this one. You see, it's a little bit different. This is an optimized title. He didn't just use the default one given to you by Walmart. And this is how buyers are going to find your item. This is why this item has sold 70 times when other people selling the same item might not sell it as often, because he has filled it with keywords that people are actually going to be searching for when they are looking for this item. And that's what makes a difference. And once you get this system down and really understand how it works, you're gonna see that there are plenty of ways to automate this. Like I talked about, we have a Chrome extension that lists items for you. There's software like AutoDS, which I use, which helps you with repricing and restocking. So if this item on Walmart, if the price changed, if it went out of stock, AutoDS will let you know so that you can then make those changes on eBay, right? You need a way to monitor all the prices of the items you're selling from Walmart, and it can do that for you. And when I figured out this system and really figured out all these different components, plus a few other ones, that's what really allowed my store to grow and grow quickly. Like I said, I was doing over $10,000 a month in profit by the end of my first year. And it's all because of this really simple system once you have all the components down. Now, I do have a course that teaches you A to Z exactly how to start your own profitable eBay dropshipping business. It's called Dropshipping Titans. And this has everything that you need to be successful with eBay dropshipping. If you have absolutely no experience, you don't even know what I'm talking about when I mention dropshipping, or have never even sold or bought anything on eBay, that's okay. I have complete beginners who have taken this course and have done exceptionally well with it. You can see some of their results right here, like this student who has done over $88,000 in sales in just 30 days. We have this student who in the past 30 days has done over $100,000 in sales. So we have plenty of testimonials like that. So if you want to check it out, just head on over to dropshippingtitans.com. I'll also have it linked up down below in the description. If you want more free videos here on YouTube about how to do product research, then check out this video right here, and I'll see you there in a second.